Hello and welcome, new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. Let's begin another Dollar Tree haul. We have the artist canvas and this beautiful pink glitter. They are 8.5 by 10 and also is in silver, as you can see. And they have gold. These are wonderful items. Christmas ideas are coming up. If you don't want to have to paint anything gold or silver, these canvases are ready for you to begin. So ready or not, here we come. Name brand Play-Doh. We have the race car modeling kit. Then we have the pretend food modeling kit. We have some other ones, as you can see. Oh, this ladybug is so adorable. And this last one is like I guess you can do a fish. So great. Stocking stuffers are just regular gifts for your children or adults. Octopus. I think that's, oh, another one. This item is made by Made Smart. It's a bin. It's 6.8 by 3.8 by 2 inches. And you can put any odds and ends in there, like in your pantry or your craft room. Who love pretzels? We have some Pop Daddy pretzels. The flavor is peppercorn ranch pretzel sticks made with flavor so bold it's lip smacking, finger licking, good and crunch. And it's made in Michigan. Sounds delicious. I tried it and they are very good to me. Next one, we have the cinnamon sugar pretzel sticks. And it's hand seasoned in small batches. And it's 3 ounces. We have tender green asparagus spears by MC Trader. And it's 7.05 ounces. And it says it's made with world-class quality. Mushrooms, pieces and stems. This is 7 ounces. And if you try any of these like jarred items, vegetables, let me know. I haven't tried any of them yet. Here is an interesting one. Pineapple mustard. Wow. And it's 3.5 ounces. Now, this is one, if you've tried, please let me know. I've never had pineapple and mustard on the same item, so it'd be great to find out what it really tastes like. We're on a roll with food items. This is by 7 Days Bagel Chips. They have 2 kinds, roasted garlic and sea salt, and it's 3.17 ounce. We have pork seasoned coating mix by New Fields. It's 2 pouches and it's 4.5 ounces. So if you want to give your pork chops a little kick, here you go. Next we have Southern style chicken fried mix, and it's 6 ounces. So if you want some fried chicken mix and you don't want to do all the extra work, here is the fry mix for you. We have half and half fruit snacks, mixed flavors, gluten-free, fat-free, made with real fruit. The flavors are original, strawberry, mango, and peach. There you go. I think I showed you the cotton candy one before, but they have another flavor. It's called firework. I'm not sure what kind of flavor it is, but they have it. Try it out. Now that we have your attention, please follow the instructions on the screen. It will be greatly appreciated. Guess what? It's 100% free to do it. Now that we're back, we have canning snap lids for the mason jars, and it's available. We have an item by Sassy Plus Chic. It's a makeup sponge plus case. And it almost looks like a coffee cup. It's already a coffee color, but it looks like a coffee cup. Let me know what you think. We have body lotion by Aromatherapy Signature. 4 different scents: ginger citrus, lavender, lemon verbena, and eucalyptus mint. Last but not least, we have a small bottle of Tide with Downy, and the scent is April Fresh. Well, everyone, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Again, a reminder, subscribe and comment. Be blessed. Until next time.